Hi Nina, this is Joanna. You're coming to the Energie campus tomorrow, and I'd like to run through the agenda with you so that everything goes smoothly. You'll start with Young in the solar factory of the future.
Hello, Aaron.
By the way, we print organic solar cells directly with the ink from the glove box. Dieter and Madeleine will show you the laminating machine. And then Michael does the final module testing. After that, take the Twizy to drive to the next station. The drives that we develop here are cool as well. Get in touch with Annette and Sebastian for more information.
Hey, komm doch mal mit rüber.
You can really get your hands dirty in the cement and tile testing lab. They are working on insulating materials. We even have a small reactor here. Hey, but don't worry, that's a safe LOHC hydrogen storage. And if you still have time, be sure to stop by and see Thomas. There's always something going on. So that's all about from me. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Otherwise, I hope that you have a nice day tomorrow. Take care. See you.